Hello everyone, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share each and every video of Mathline as much as possible to the students of all standard. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic that is very important, that is property of isosceles triangle. It is called isosceles triangle theorem or isosceles theorem. You have studied what is an isosceles triangle is. When two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. And the property of isosceles triangle is that in the triangle ABC, AB congruent to AC. That is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. If it is like that, or if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are also congruent. That is called property of isosceles triangle or isosceles triangle theorem. So what is that? If two sides of a triangle are congruent, then angles opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. So in triangle AB congruent to AC, therefore by isosceles theorem, angle B congruent to angle C. Its converse statement or reverse statement also is true. When two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite to them are also congruent. If in triangle ABC, if angle B equal to angle C, then side AC congruent to side AB. This is called converse of isosceles theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. That is isosceles theorem. In triangle ABC, if angle B equal to angle C, then AB equal to AC. That is the converse of isosceles theorem. This is very important. And also, another property of isosceles triangle is that if you draw a perpendicular or altitude to the non-congruent side, the non-congruent side of isosceles triangle is also called base. But it is base. So if you draw the altitude or perpendicular to the base of an isosceles triangle, then the altitude will be also a median of the triangle. That is only to the non-congruent side. So what is that property? The altitude and median drawn to the non-congruent side of an isosceles triangle are the same. That is one and the same line. So here in this figure, if AB is congruent to AC, AD is perpendicular to BC, also D is the midpoint of BC, median. Median is the line segment joining midpoint of a side and opposite vertex. That is median to the non-congruent side and altitude to the non-congruent side of an isosceles triangle are one and the same. Clear? So we can solve sums using this isosceles triangle property. One of the examples is the same figure, considering the same figure in triangle ABC. That is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means AB congruent to AC. If angle A equal to 30 degree, what are the measures of angle B and angle C? How to find it? Here you have to use isosceles property also. Also you have to use the property of triangle. That is, sum of the measures of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here one of the angle, which angle is given? The non-congruent angle. Angle A is given 30 degree. So since it is isosceles triangle, angle B is equal to angle C. Let angle B equal to angle C equal to x for convenience, so that you will get an equation in x by applying the property of triangle. So what is that property? Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree by the property of triangle. Substitute the values. 30 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, or 30 plus 2x equal to 180 degree, or 2x is equal to 180 minus 30 equal to 150, or x is equal to 150 upon 2, that is 75. So angle B equal to angle C is 75. These angles are also called base angles. Angles at the base, angles at the non-congruent side. So base angles are congruent. So we got the base angles, angle B equal to 75, angle C equal to 75. Another example, if in an isosceles triangle, the base length of the base is 3 centimeter. That is, BC equal to 3 centimeter. Find the length of the congruent side if the perimeter is 17 centimeter. So here you have to get an equation in x where x is the congruent side. And what is meant by perimeter? Sum of the lengths of all the sides. Here two of the sides are equal, that is x. So according to the property of perimeter or the formula for perimeter, 3 is the base, 3 plus x equal to 17. 2x plus 3 equal to 17, or 2x is equal to 17 minus 3 equal to 14, or x is equal to 14 upon 2 equal to 7. So both the congruent sides are 7 centimeter. AB equal to 7, AC equal to 7. So if one of the side is given, you can find the remaining two sides of the isosceles triangle, if perimeter is also given. Clear? So in this way we can solve various examples by applying the property of isosceles triangle. Understood the property? It is very important. It is called isosceles theorem. If two sides of a triangle are congruent, the angle opposite to them are congruent. And its converse is, if two angles are congruent, then the sides opposite to them are congruent. Another important property is that in an isosceles triangle, the altitude and median drawn to the base or non-congruent side are one and the same. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share as much as possible to the students of all standard. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.